go back to the battery now that I see this charger. So it has 3, 2, 1. You can see this bottom one, when I have the cord plugged in, it says check connection. I'm looking at what we would call this being battery battery 1, I guess. We have it labeled as A. And then when we took them all off and on before, we were cleaning the posts, that we labeled each one. So like this is battery A, and then we said that side's A1, this side's A2, and then each wire that was on there, we labeled it like A1 third on, A2 first on, A2 second on, so we could keep track and put everything back perfectly in place. So I don't understand if we misapplied one or something. Doesn't make sense, but keep in mind we didn't start working on this until we had already brought the motor in, because we didn't like the way the guy who built the boat allowed water to be in the bottom. So the batteries sit in water and the charger does too, which we don't like, but that's the way he did it. So we did all this tagging because our plan is to take these out and put them in battery cases or something and move the charger farther back and just try to get stuff out of the water, especially because it gets ice on it, which is ridiculous. So I'm kind of stuck again here, so I'm trying to just give you a good view of how they're hooked up from each charger. So this is charger 1, comes here, goes to negative, this is the positive, goes to positive, respectively. This is the 3 cable, and that goes, once again, you can see, goes to the positive, goes to the negative, and so on. So they seem like they're right, but we are getting that air, and I've never seen that air before, or that I've noticed. So between this and the other video, maybe you'll have some insights. I opened up a couple of these to see, like, there's like a fuse bad or something, but they looked okay. I'm not really sure how to tell.